What's up, everyone? Welcome to Guided. Stephen Ray here, and today I'm going to walk you through how to start capturing content for your interactive tours and step-by-step guides on our platform. So the first thing you're going to want to do is navigate to the page where you want to record content. For our purposes today, we'll just use the Guided website. If you've installed the extension, which if you haven't, probably need to go back and go ahead and do that. But if you've installed the extension, it should appear here in your toolbar. If it doesn't, you might need to go into the extensions menu and toggle to have it appear. But then from there, recording's super easy. You just click on the icon. It'll pop up this little menu that says to click to start recording, or you can use the Control-E shortcut. Click. It's going to give you a little bit of a countdown. As soon as this countdown finishes, it's going to start recording your mouse clicks and keyboard entries. So what you'll want to do is click through whatever action or activity that you were wanting to capture. And you'll see that there is a little bit of a counter here on the icon showing you how many clicks, and which is how many layers it's captured through this recording. And then when you're ready to finish, just click it again. It wraps up. It takes you straight into Guided Studio, loads it for you, and you're ready to start either previewing it or clicking in and going into the editing process. That's it. And I hope everyone has a great day. Thank you for watching.